What's up, everybody? Come with me as I build this 21U enclosed rack. All wiring custom by the Terminator. Let's go! Each system will be placed with appropriate spacing. Then each system will be wired, known as interconnects. Let's take a look at the finished product. Wow, the wire management is excellent. Visit TerminatorTimmy.com for termination videos. Let me know in the comments what you think about this rack build. Another fantastic build by the Terminator. Look at you go. Produced by TerminatorTimmy.com. Music by The Blueprints. Special thanks to Aries AV. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Visit TerminatorTimmy.com. All right.